Have a go in your own time once I've moved the screen, obviously. You've got 6 of them to do. There'll be another 7 in a minute. Pause the video, obviously, to have a go in your own time. And the answers are... Let's briefly look at y. Obviously, you can skip to the next question if you like. Remember, x to the minus p over q. Let's just draw this again. The minus means flip. So you've got a fraction, you turn up the other way. If it's not already a fraction, make it look like a fraction first. That's a power, like squared or cubed, and that number at the bottom is a root. So if we just look at this one is a flip. This one is power. This one is a power. This one is a power. This one is a root, and this one is a flip. And that explains them all basically. Hopefully you're happy with that. Let's do the next set of 7. Pause the video, have a go in your own time. And the answers are 1 over 3, 9, 81, 3, I'm going to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I always like to be careful with that. Oh, I'm not going to scribble it out, I'll leave my working. 1, 7 over 5. It's exactly the same as before, we just analyse it in terms of x equal, x, I'm just using x as an example, minus p over minus p over q. The minus means flip, so where did we have a flip? We had a flip here, we had a flip here, we had a flip, there's a lot of flips. This was a flip as well, this was a flip as well. And then sometimes we have a, if it's a number at the top, it's a power like squared or cubed. So this one was, I'm going to put an and symbol, and squared. So we're 2 instructions here, because this is basically a code. This was to the power 5. This was squared. And then this is a root. Do we have any roots? Yep, so this flip and square root, because 2 means square root. There we go, so that explains those. I'm just going to go through one of them, because I know this is probably more likely to be an issue, which is this one here. Let's just do this one. By the way, there's no more questions after this, so you can just finish the video once you're happy. Let's look at this one just again, which is 1/9 to the, I forgot what it is, minus a half. Right. So that I'm going to put brackets around, just makes it easier for me to think about it. So I'm just going to do the flip first. So that means it's 9. We've still got the half left. What does half mean? That means square root. So I'm just going to rewrite it as square root of 9, and now I'm going to write 3 or minus 3. Again, there's an issue here, which is, oh wait, here you just said 3, but here you said 3 or minus 3. It's to do with, well anyway, let's just it's a thing I'm not really addressing in this set of 20 lessons. Okay, but in the exam, if you've got any doubt, write 3 or minus 3, blah, blah, blah. Okay, see you in the next lesson.